How to turn on or turn off Show Gesture Trail in Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And from here, tap on General Management. Then we go down and tap on Keyboard List in default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Glide Typing. And then tap on the toggle button right next to Show Gesture Trail. So here, tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Gesture Trail for your Google Keyboard or Gboard. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.